Welcome back. What was once an important resource for victims of domestic violence in Newcastle County is now being expanded downstate. Soon, community health workers will be working through Kent and Sussex County to help those victims.
Yeah, that's right, Jordan. 47 ABC's Hannah Cicchini was in Dover just this morning learning more about the help those workers will provide in our area.
For many, many victims of domestic violence, the first responder is not law enforcement. It is their medical provider.
That's where the Domestic Violence Community Health Worker Program comes in. Much needed help will now be brought to victims in Kent and Sussex counties by two community health workers.
The community health worker can provide health assessments related to these things. They can transport and accompany victims as well as their children to appointments. They can connect people and victims to community resources.
The addition of those two community health workers will be bolstered by funding from coverage from Medicaid and other health plans, while the Delaware Division of Public Health, Christiana Care, and Delaware Technical Community College will provide the certifications.
The domestic violence community health workers are mobile, trauma-informed domestic violence advocates who meet with victims of domestic violence in the community in safe locations and then address health and safety.
And it doesn't stop at providing those services. That's because being a victim of domestic violence isn't just limited to physical injuries. Living in an environment where you're suffering at the hands of another can have detrimental impacts on mental health.
How does that chronic stress impact overall health? And we see things like diabetes or other things that could definitely be related to cardiovascular issues.
With the addition of these two workers, officials say victims and overall community health have a brighter future.
Community health workers help us achieve our mission to protect and promote the health of all people in Delaware and our vision to have healthy people in healthy communities.
In Delaware, Hannah Cicchini, 47 ABC, WMDT.
Now, we're told by the Delaware Coalition Against Domestic Violence that the two community health workers will actually start their work sometime in the near future.
And to learn more about the efforts to combat domestic violence in the first state and to find some resources, log on to our website, 47abc.com.